How to get unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege. Now, we will only be doing this specific method if you were actually banned from the game inappropriately. So what you want to do is just head over to Ubisoft.com's official site, and in here we'll have to coordinate with one of their support or request to get our account unbanned. Now, once on your in this page, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom part, and then you can see Contact Us option highlighted. Just simply click on that, and you will be provided with another tab. Now, this tab is gonna be showing us all the possible troubleshooting steps that we can do, like maybe a game bug or a game issue. But for this video, we will be directing or redirecting to a live customer support. Now, once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down again and just head over to game support. Now, once you're on game support, you will also be provided another tab in which is going to be directly to the steps on how we can fix different kinds of issues on the game. So for here, what you want to do is just go to recover your account. Now, once you are on this page, this article, just scroll down a bit, and if none of these options matches your situation, like unbanning our account, you just have to click directly on this blue highlighted contacts right here that says contact us. Once you click on that, you will be asked to fill out the necessary forms like the email address that you have used associated with your Rainbow Six Siege account. Again, just fill out these forms right here, and if you haven't logged in yet, you'll have to log in first so that you will be able to submit a request without any problems. And that's it. That's the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to get your account unbanned on Rainbow Six Siege.